Hello class, we are looking out of your pre-algebra book, 3.3, solving two-step equations. Our first equation is 4b minus 7 equals negative 47. Our goal is to isolate b on one side of the equal sign and find out what b actually equals. We're solving for b. So to look at this, we see two like terms on either side of the equal sign, negative 7 and negative 47. We want to combine those. So to combine those, we're going to add 7 here. On the other side of the equal sign, we will also add 7. That keeps the equal sign true. We'll rewrite our equation. 4b, this goes away, equals negative 47 plus a positive 7, negative 40. We still want to get b by itself to see what b equals. And we have 4 times b. If 4 is multiplied to b, then we want to divide, because that would be the opposite operation. We're going to divide by 4. If we divide by 4 on this side of the equal sign, also divide by 4 on this side of the equal sign. Now we know 4 over 4 equals 1. 1 times b equals b, and we've met our goal of isolating b on one side of the equal sign. So this goes away. We rewrite our equation below. B equals negative 40 divided by 4, negative 10. B equals negative 10. Okay, our next problem will be x minus 5 all over 2 equals 17. We are looking at isolating x on one side of the equal sign. That's our goal. We also have a 2 in the denominator. We start there. We're going to get rid of the 2 in the denominator. So we'll multiply 2 in the numerator on this side of the equal sign. And that creates a 2 over 2 equals 1. So it keeps the value on that side of the equal sign, but it helps us get rid of the number in the denominator. Also, if we multiply by 2 on one side of the equal sign to keep the equal sign true, we need to multiply by 2 on the other side of the equal sign. Whatever operation you do on this side of the equal sign also needs to be done on the other side of the equal sign. Okay, this goes away. What is left is x minus 5 equals 17 times 2. It's 34. We have x minus 5. Let's add 5 to both sides. Rewrite our equation below. We have x minus 5 plus 5, this goes away, equals 34 plus 5, 39. We have a word problem, and it's actually number 32 in this section for your assignment. And we are trying to build a numerical equation from the information in the word problem. A big hint is that your numerical equation will be very similar to what you've been working with in your assignment. You'll be given a few pieces of information, one of which will be a variable, and you'll solve for that variable. An easy variable to use is x. A landscaper is buying a tree costing $96 and wants to buy shrubs at $8 each. He has to keep the total amount spent to a maximum of $200. How many shrubs can he buy? We have a lot of information here. We have some numbers, $96, $8, $200. And we have a question, how many shrubs can he buy? From our question and the information, what will our variable be, our mystery number? We're going to assign x to the amount of shrubs he can buy. I'm going to say x equals shrubs, and we'll solve for it eventually to find the actual number. So if x are our shrubs and they are $8 each, whatever amount of shrubs he buys, be 8 times x. However many shrubs there are, based on how much he can spend in the total budget. He's going to buy a tree that costs $96. That's set. He's also going to purchase that from the total budget he has. And he can only spend a maximum of $200. Match each number to the information in the word problem. How did we build this equation? We thought about our mystery number. We assigned it a variable. X are going to be the number of shrubs he could buy, because that's our question. We don't know. It's a variable. It's a mystery. We know that those shrubs are $8 each. That's where 8 times x comes from. Whatever amount he buys, it's going to be times 8. The tree is $96. It's a constant. We're adding $96 to whatever amount of shrubs he buys. We're going to solve for that later on the shrubs. And the total budget he has is that he has to keep all of the shrubs and the tree he's buying under $200 or equal to $200. Let's solve this for x. We're going to subtract 96 from both sides. That leaves ax plus 96 minus 96, that goes away, equals 200 minus 96, that's 104, divide by 8, on both sides. This goes away, and we have x equals 104 divided by 8. 8 goes into 10 one time, that leaves 2. 8 goes into 24 3 times. He can buy up to 13 shrubs at $8 a piece, plus have his tree. So we built a two-step equation, just like you've been working with in your assignment in 3.3, and we solved for x. I hope this helps, and I'll see you soon.